Love boats.
Wow. Next thing you know, we'll have those at Hydrofest.
I know, right?
That'll be pretty
See
cool,
how fast
won't it?
those go. But they won't cause that crazy, the big effect
ripple,
of the
yeah.
ripple. Okay, Carson, people
Yes.
probably going to get out in the water this weekend, but they need to be careful because of those pop-up storm chances.
Maybe they'll see some goats if they're out at a state park, right, Tatum?
You know what? I thought those goats were awfully cute.
They were cute.
Well,
I love goats.
You know what? I'd like to get a couple in my backyard right now. I don't know if my dog would like the goats, but
Well, you do have a zoo over there, don't
I do
you?
have a
Yeah,
zoo
might
at
as
my
well
house
add a
already.
few.
Might as well add some more already. Yeah. Hey, let's talk about the weather here. We're talking about those highs in the 90s once again today, 92 here in Huntsville. Today, counting our forecast, it's going to happen. We're going to hit the 90s today. It'll be 19 straight days that we've had high temperatures in the 90s in North Alabama. That is the longest streak we have seen since 2017. So it's not unheard of to have this kind of a long streak of the 90s, but unfortunately, there's not much relief in the way as far as cooling us down or even drying us out either. Right now on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, 99% of us are dry. There's a couple of very light showers trying to get going in Lincoln County and Franklin County, Tennessee, and a lot of us will stay dry all day. This is going to be very similar to what we saw yesterday with some of those scattered showers and thunderstorms developing throughout the afternoon during the peak heat of the day. 92 is that forecast high, like we talked about. If you're going to be out at the pool, if you're going to be out on the lake this afternoon, watch the skies. If you see lightning, if you hear thunder, just make sure you head off inside and get offshore if you can. Here we go with future radar. This is 1:30 this afternoon. A few of those pop-up showers and storms developing right on top of us, but once we lose that peak heat of the day, those storms will start to wind down. There is a chance for an isolated shower or two by 6 o'clock Friday morning, but most of us will remain dry for the morning commute tomorrow. We had some concern this morning that we could be dealing with heavy rain tomorrow morning. That no longer appears to be the case. But you do notice tomorrow afternoon that thunderstorm coverage is actually a bit more widespread. And with any of these storms, by the way, for today, tomorrow, or the holiday weekend, we're not expecting severe weather, but we could have heavier downpours. It could cause some ponding on the roads and perhaps some gusty winds around 30 to 40 miles per hour as well. So same story for tomorrow afternoon. Once we lose the heat of the day, we'll start to dry things out, and then we'll do it all over again every single day this weekend. But it's just a 30 to 40% chance on any given day. So no day is going to be a washout, but like I mentioned, we could have some heavier rain and gusty winds with the strongest storms. You notice each day in our holiday weekend forecast, those storm chances peak during the afternoon. We lose the heat of the day, we dry things out, and we do it all over again the next day. As far as any relief or any breaks in the summertime weather pattern, well, nothing like that is expected anytime soon. Let's give you an update on the tropics. Still watching potential tropical cyclone 2. That is a very long name to say that this will likely become a tropical storm during its life cycle, but it hasn't just yet. Still expected to become tropical storm Bonnie later on today. That's our only main area of concern. There is a disturbance near the Texas coastline going to bring a lot of rain to Corpus Christi, Galveston, Houston over the next couple of days. 40% chance of that becoming an actual tropical storm. Watching this one system also out in the Atlantic, just a 10% chance. We're not too worried about that system, but it's just a reminder that hurricane season is just getting started. 7-day forecast looks like this. Highs in the low to mid 90s for the most part, with that 30 to 40% chance for a few pop-up storms each day. Overnight lows also seasonable in the low 70s.